HeyGen Enterprise AI avatars for US business presentations. So HeyGen Enterprise is an AI-powered platform that creates realistic avatars for business presentations, training videos, and corporate communications, enabling companies to produce engaging video content without using cameras or actors. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers fast video production, which generate professional AI presenter videos in just minutes, saving your time and production costs. It also offers custom avatars, where it allows branded avatars and consistent messaging. It also offers multilingual support, which is easy for non-editors to use, and even in secure enterprise features. Now for the cons though, the AI looks still noticeable. So the AI is very noticeable because it looks for the same facial expressions or lip sync may appear artificial or just AI generated. It also has limited creative flexibility, which is not suitable for dynamic, cinematic, or highly interactive content. It also has higher enterprise costs, and it is dependent on the script quality. So overall, it is ideal for US businesses that frequently produces training or corporate presentation videos, and the need for speed, scalability, and brand consistency. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications